Within days after the deadly H5N1 strain was discovered, all live chickens in Hong Kong markets had been killed, and imports of live poultry from mainland China were suspended. Chow is Hong Kong's Food and Health Secretary.
In our surveillance, we're able to detect H5N1 in our environment. We're able to follow up very quickly to show that in 4 of the markets that they have the very similar virus. And that's the reason why we have to take very timely action to cull all the chickens and make sure the public is safe.
China is the main source of Hong Kong's poultry. The government order did not apply to sales of pre-slaughtered and packaged poultry. Infectious disease expert Dr. Wing Locke says the government did not move fast enough.
In the past, should there be human case of H5N1 in Guangdong, should there be poultry case of H5N1 in Guangdong, all poultry importation from Guangdong will be stopped. But now this no longer stands.
Lowe says the government had too much confidence in its system of certifying poultry farms in mainland China. A farm there can send poultry to Hong Kong unless the bird flu virus is found on the farm.
I believe it's a big mistake because there could be a mixture of poultry from authorized farm and poultry from unauthorized farm coming through to Hong Kong, all in the name of coming from authorized farm.
This man's family has sold chickens here for more than 30 years. He says illegal chickens are being brought into the city to meet the demand for fresh poultry.
And because of the demand-supply theory, since the prices keep raising up, there will be smuggling chicken for sure.
Outside the Legislative Council building, he and other chicken sellers call on the government to produce a policy on imports that will save their businesses. The government has promised to compensate shop owners whose chickens are confiscated and killed. The government says regulations on poultry imports will have to balance health safety and food needs. The ban on live poultry from mainland China is to last for 21 days, but Lowe is worried.
But I'm worrying about the complacency of the government. If the government is complacent on H5N1, can the government be complacent on other infectious diseases? All this can have a major impact on the community.
The H5N1 virus has killed more than 240 people worldwide since 2003. Most caught the disease from sick birds. But experts fear the virus will mutate into a form that is easily passed to humans. In crowded Hong Kong, that would be a disaster. With producer Pros Laput in Hong Kong, this is Kate Pound Dawson in Bangkok.